What if I told you this entire animation, this anime character, and even this game-style scene were all created inside a single AI website? No Photoshop, no Blender, no complicated workflow. Everything you're seeing was created inside a powerful tool called PixAI. And today, I'll show you exactly how I made it, from writing a prompt all the way to generating a fully animated anime video. And I promise, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create your own anime characters using the same workflow. You'll also have full rights to use these generated videos on any platform. For today's project, we're going to follow a very simple workflow. Step 1, generate our anime character. Step 2, transform that character into completely different designs using AI editing. And finally, step 3, animate that character into a cinematic video. So let's jump right in. Let's open PixAI. You can find the link in the description below. Then, as you know, click on the sign in button in the top right corner and create a brand new account. Before we start generating anything, one thing I really like about PixAI is that everything is available in one place. Instead of switching between multiple AI tools, you can generate images, edit them however you like, enhance the images you generate, and even animate them without ever leaving the platform. And if you're out of ideas and need to test things out, simply browse through the community and choose an image that you like the most. Then, on the right side, click Use as Reference, and then click Generate to create an image in the same style as the one you chose. And if you're just getting started, PixAI also gives you 10,000 free credits every day, so you can experiment quite a lot before worrying about paid plans. Now let's go to the Generate section and start by generating an image. Before pasting the prompt, let's choose the mode. This determines the quality of your output, so choose it wisely. Then choose a style. There are a lot more options. Just click Browse and choose one you like the most. Then for image model, I'm using Tsubaki 2, which is PixAI's newest in-house anime image generation model. It's specifically designed for anime artwork and comes with a lot of built-in style presets that make prompting much easier. Then comes the LoRA section, which is actually a visual aesthetic to choose from. Go with the ones you like. Next comes the aspect ratio. I'm choosing 16:9 for this demo, the resolution to large, and the batch size to 4. Once all the settings are set, let's paste the prompt. If you're not great at writing prompts, PixAI includes something called Prompt Helper, which helps improve your prompts automatically. So make sure it's turned on. Now just click Generate and wait for the process to finish. And here it is. And here are the 4 results. Generating a batch of 4 gives us multiple variations to choose from, so we can compare the different results and simply pick the one we like the most. The colors look natural, the lighting feels soft and cinematic, and each image has that polished anime illustration style. Now I'm going to choose my favorite one and save it. The nice thing is that we'll keep this same character while editing it and later animating it into a video, so the character stays consistent across every step. Now that we have our character, let's move on to one of the most interesting features in PixAI, which is Edit Pro. Instead of generating a completely new image, Edit Pro allows you to transform your existing artwork simply by describing what you want in natural language. The impressive part is that it doesn't just apply random changes, it preserves the original character's identity while adapting the scene or layout based on your instructions. For this section, first let's change the model to PixAI Edit Pro, then upload the chosen image as a reference. Next, scroll down and choose the resolution, aspect ratio, and quality mode. Let's convert this image into a stylized open-world game screenshot with a semi-realistic anime-inspired art style. So I'm pasting this prompt here. Then click Generate and wait for the process to finish. And here's the result. This transformation is probably my favorite so far. Instead of looking like a simple illustration, the character now feels like she's actually inside a modern anime RPG. The environment blends naturally with the original artwork. The UI elements are arranged like a real game interface, and the overall composition immediately reminds me of an open-world action game. What's even more impressive is that the character still looks like the same person we created earlier. The hairstyle, facial features, clothing, and overall identity remain consistent, which is exactly what you want when you're creating multiple assets for the same character. Let's push Edit Pro even further with another example. This time, instead of designing a game scene, we'll transform our character into a realistic social media live stream interface. This example really shows how flexible Edit Pro is. With nothing more than a text prompt, the same character has now been transformed into something that looks like a real live stream screenshot. The background changes completely, the interface elements are generated automatically, and the character naturally fits into the new environment without losing her identity. Again, the text generation is one of the highlights here. The comments, interface labels, and layout all look much cleaner than what you'd normally expect from AI-generated images. What I like most about Edit Pro is that it lets you explore different creative ideas without regenerating your character every time. Whether you're creating game assets, concept art, posters, social media content, or collectible cards, you can build around the same character while keeping a consistent look. Now comes my favorite part of this workflow, turning a single image into a fully animated video. PixAI's new image to video v4 preview model brings your character to life with smooth animation, cinematic camera movement, and consistent character motion. So navigate to the video section from the top. For the first test, I'm going to select the image that we generated first and saved for later use. Then I'm going to use this animation prompts to create a short cinematic sequence. If you want to try all the prompts I used, simply comment prompt, and I'll send them to you. Then choose a video generation model. I'm going with V4 Preview. You can choose a video length from 5 seconds to 15 seconds. For this test, I'm going with 10 seconds. You also have the option to choose your voice generation language. Select your preferred language, and finally click Generate. Here's the video we just generated. The animation looks incredibly smooth. Instead of random motion, the character performs a complete sequence with a clear beginning, middle, and ending. The camera follows the action naturally. The character remains recognizable throughout the entire clip, and small details like flowing hair, clothing movement, and particle effects make the final result feel much more cinematic. This is one of the biggest advantages of using a dedicated image to video model instead of relying on generic animation tools. Now let's try something even more ambitious. Rather than creating a simple character animation, we're going to transform the image into what feels like a playable open-world game. This example also demonstrates how PixAI preserves the character while changing the surrounding environment throughout the animation. For this, I'm using the game screenshot we generated earlier and pasting this new prompt. This time, I'm choosing 15 seconds and finally clicking Generate. This is a really creative example because it doesn't just animate the character. It tells a visual story. The character explores different environments, interacts with objects, and smoothly transitions between multiple scenes while maintaining the same identity throughout the animation. The added game interface also makes it feel like you're watching actual gameplay footage rather than a simple animated image. And that's the complete workflow. From generating your character with Tsubaki.2, transforming it using Edit Pro, and finally bringing everything to life with image to video v4 preview. Everything was created inside a single platform. If you'd like to try this workflow yourself, I'll leave the PixAI link in the description below. You can start creating with up to 10,000 free credits every day and explore everything PixAI has to offer. And PixAI isn't a small platform either. It already has more than 15 million registered users and over 4 million monthly active users. It is even ranked #1 in Japan's App Store graphics and design category. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.